back. We are right now at our first stop in Champasak. Do I say it correctly, Champasak? Me too. We are at Thongna Sky cafe. Yeah, I think if you see it, you can understand why we stopped over here. It's like 30-40 minutes away, Sarah, easy, from Pakse. It's just a nice cafe that you can just have chill on. After this, we're going to Wat Phou, one of the ruins or the ancient temples. Not sure what it is. Of the same as Pakse. But first, we're gonna chill here for a bit. The scenery is quite a bit dramatic with all the clouds in the forest over there, but it is really cool. So the food's in as well, and I was just telling about the strawberry shakes. Strawberry shakes I would really recommend. The food is not so spectacular, to be honest, but to look at. Let's hope it tastes better. But the view is amazing.
Hit the gas one more time, and I'll break you. When you hit the gas one more time, I'll break you. Hit the gas one more time, and I'll break you.
We are walking towards the electric shuttle van. Let's see what they say about Doggy Dude. The funny thing is, me and Danny both don't really have a clue when we started. We know we just wanted to go to the temple and that was it, but we didn't know that there was a whole park and a lake and everything around it in a shuttle van. But a couple of fun facts about Wat Phou. Wat Phou literally means mountain temple if you would translate it. It's also one of the first temples that has been built. Wat Phou has been built in the 10th centuries. Everybody knows Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat was built 2 centuries later in the beginning of the 12th centuries. Wat Phou is also dedicated to the god Shiva, one of the gods of the Hindu. And in the 13th century, Wat Phou has been converted into a Buddhist monastery. Even today, the temple is still a place for worship for local Buddhists. As you can see later on in the video, that people are doing their prayers over here. Sarah, lead the way. You walk all this way to get to this gigantic Buddha. All the way up at Wat Phou. This is the view that you get. You look over all the old ruins, over the city, Champasak, is to say it correctly. You can see over the riverbed, you look at Pakse itself. We really got lucky with the weather today. It started out with sun, then raining, pouring down, and now it is nice and dry again. So on this side we have the elephant, I'm hoping that you guys can see it. It is pretty cool, an elephant carved out in a stone. If you ever decide to go to Wat Phou, I would highly advise go at the end of the day. One, there's almost nobody here. Everybody is leaving around 3 p.m. So you have the whole place to yourself, and as you can see on the other side, the sun is getting down behind the mountain. It's like the last hour, last 2 hours, so yeah, the ruins, everything is really beautiful with this sunlight. Highly advised to go at the end of the day. Right, Sarah? What's your opinion with that? Sarah's like, don't talk to me. It's too hot. We are live now at a Tad Fane Waterfall. This is the entry. It looks really cute. There are more people than we expected, especially in the low season. Insane. This is a twin waterfall at Tad Fane and it looks really cool. Did you know that the Tad Fane Waterfall is about 120 meters high, and it is also a twin waterfall, as you can see. Also, you can zipline through the Tad Fane Waterfall. As you can see the lines going through, you can do a parkour of a bit less than an hour, which is absolutely amazing. Welcome live at one of the third waterfalls in Pakse. I have to say this one is one of my favorites. If you come here during the, not in the weekends, you have this whole place to yourself. This place is really cool.